Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Apple Cash is ready to use. Open Wallet and tap the Apple Cash card, then follow identity prompts. This unlocks limits and transferability. Once done, add a debit card or bank account as a backup funding source, and for transfers, this makes sending and receiving smooth. Make sure Face ID or passcode is enabled for security. Update iOS so compatibility issues don't interrupt transactions, and proceed to send your first amount. You'll use Messages or Wallet next, depending on convenience. In Messages, tap the Apple Pay icon, type the amount, choose Apple Cash, then hit Send, confirm with Face ID. This is fast for conversations. Alternatively, open Wallet, select Apple Cash, tap Send, enter recipient, and confirm. This is clearer for non-message transfers. Once sent, check the transaction in Wallet. If a request is pending, remind the recipient, and make sure your backup card has funds if Apple Cash balance is insufficient. To finish, move money to your bank or spend it with Apple Pay. In Wallet, tap Apple Cash, pick Transfer to Bank, choose Instant for a fee or 3 business days for no fee, and confirm with Face ID. Once done, you can also use Apple Cash for in-store purchases or online checkout. It behaves like a card. If a transaction fails, check identity verification, card numbers, iOS version, and network. If the problem persists, contact Apple support for specific account help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.